decided to come up with our global PMS product and global fund product. And the interesting thing is you don't need to have crores of monies to do that. Our global PMS starts only at 7.5 lakh rupees, $10,000, which you can easily remit within 2 days from your normal bank account using the liberalized remittance scheme. Our global investment products have delivered a compound annual return of around 21% over the last 5 years. Hi friends, my name is Shankar Sharma and I am a co-founder of First Global. First Global started its journey as an Indian securities firm back in the early 90s. But since the late 90s, in the beginning of 2000, we decided to diversify our investments across the world. And believe me, it has been the single best decision we ever took. Because global investing has given us, apart from massive amounts of wealth, I will talk about it in a short while, but it has given us exposure, understanding, diversification, risk containment, risk mitigation, and at the same time, this has given us a whole perspective of the entire world, which gives us advantage even when we are investing in India. We picked Amazon in 2001 at, I think, about $11. It has been a 300x bagger. Apple in 2002. Domino's Pizza in 2011, Netflix in 2010. In China, we bought companies which are up like something like 10, 12 times. In the UK, we have bought companies. In Switzerland, we have companies. Taiwan, we have companies. And the other important thing is being only invested in a single market like India, you are missing out not only on the great opportunities, but also you're increasing your risk. If a currency drops, like rupee keeps depreciating, if you have high inflation, how do you get protection? In fact, I'm just going to show you a short table which tells you that if you invested $100 in India 10 years back, how much would you have today? And if you invested the same $100 globally, how much would you have today? The difference is massive. India mein aapka investment would be hardly 100 plus some dollars. Globally, it has become 2.5 times in dollar terms. That is the level of return differential that has happened in the last 10 years between putting $1 in India versus putting $1 globally. Now, how do you as a small investor and even a medium-sized investor access global market? Because it's a very complicated thing. Never ever invest in a single country fund or a single country ETF. For example, the NASDAQ ETF that people start talking about because the NASDAQ has gone up. That is the most dangerous thing you can do because tomorrow one market can collapse. NASDAQ can fall. It has done so many, many times. You need to be diversified. You need to be diversified across the world, across asset classes, across countries, across great stocks, across great sectors. And that is the whole meaning of going outside India and diversifying your wealth. Just putting it into another country, which tomorrow might fall out of favor, does not change anything, does not improve anything in your investment pie chart. Thousands of investors across the world and in India are participating in our global PMS offerings and our global funds. At the end of this video, you will see our email address and also you will have an inquiry link. Send us an email or click on the inquiry link and we will get back to you, get you started out on a wonderful journey of global wealth building done in a very systematic, scientific, diversified, risk mitigated manner. I welcome you to this wonderful journey of global investing with us, and we will be there every inch of the way as your friend and your guide. Thank you.